Hi friends, welcome to another new lecture of Era of Zoology. In this lecture, I will teach you parallel evolution or parallelism. So let's start. Basically, sometimes a common ancestral stock diverges into two main lines and both lines evolve similar structure and habits because they are exposed to similar environment pressure. It is called as parallelism or parallel evolution. So in this schematic diagram, if you look at this schematic diagram, you can see that this is actually a common ancestor, and this common ancestor is actually expressing phenotype A, and from this common ancestor two new lines are actually diverges, and from this two new line you can see that two new species are actually evolved, and these two new species 1 and species 2, these two new species are actually expressing phenotype B, and these two new species, why they are actually expressing the same phenotype? Because they are exposed to similar environment pressure, so that they are having similar structure and habits. Okay friend, now we will take an example to explain the parallel evolution in brief. Basically, example of parallel evolution have been provided by ant-eaters and monkeys. Thus, ant-eaters like features have appeared in different lines of mammals that descended from non-ant-eaters mammalian groups. Likewise, New World monkeys evolved in Central and South America, whereas Old World monkeys have evolved in Asia and Africa. New and Old World monkeys are easily distinguished on the basis of specific characteristics. Okay, and here you can see that similar phenotypic features among ant-eaters. They have long snout and tongue and powerful claws that evolved independently within each of the three major group of existing mammals. You can see this schematic diagram. Okay, so it was our today's lecture. Thank you so much friend for watching this lecture till this end. Subscribe this channel and also like this lecture. Thank you so much.